All of these cases and deaths is exactly why the state is pushing social distancing. Even hundreds of inmates are being released to try and reduce their risk. But tonight, Hillsborough deputies arrested one of the men let out on murder charges. Nightside's Angelina Salcido asked the sheriff's office, "Are we safe?"
This man is a convicted felon with a long rap sheet. He was arrested 35 times previously, but was being held on minor drug charges. He could have bonded out, but ended up being released to protect him from COVID-19.
We want to protect our employees here. We want to protect the remainder of the jail population.
3 weeks ago, 164 inmates were released to stop the spread of coronavirus. Sheriff Chad Cronister said most of them were in jail because they couldn't afford to bond themselves out.
These low-level, nonviolent offenders will be better served home with their families, helping them deal with this health crisis.
But a day after this announcement, deputies say Joseph Williams killed a man in Tampa. The 26-year-old was arrested here on April 14th. Investigators say he had a gun and drugs. He's charged with second-degree murder and violently resisting an officer. Sheriff Cronister says Williams took advantage of the coronavirus pandemic to commit a crime, saying every murder, violent crime, especially those involving a gun, are the example of the worst in our community, especially at a time where we're working relentlessly to fight the spread of COVID-19. Despite Williams being back in jail, the sheriff says there's no need for the community to worry. Deputies will continue to carefully check each inmate's charges before they're released. Some of the charges for the 164 inmates already released are burglary, theft, and trespassing. We reached out to the state attorney's office for comment on Williams' arrest. They're looking to upgrade his charges.
Williams was previously convicted of 2 felony offenses back in 2012 and 2018. By the way, inmates are being released from jails all across our state to help prevent the spread of the coronavirus.